Welcome to Motion Bytes Academy, your place to learn media, creativity, and design. Media studies is the academic field that explores the content, history, and impact of media in our world. It's about more than just TV, film, or newspapers. It's about understanding how media shapes culture, politics, and society. At the heart of media studies are four key concepts: media language, the codes, conventions, and techniques used to create meaning. Think of camera angles in film or typography in magazines. Every choice communicates a message to the audience. Representation, how groups, cultures, events, or issues are portrayed. Are stereotypes being reinforced or challenged? Audience, the individuals who consume media. Who are they? How do they interpret what they see? And how does media influence their behavior? And finally, institutions, the organizations that produce and distribute media. Who owns them? What are their motivations? And how does this shape the content we consume? Students in media studies dive into a wide range of topics: digital culture and new media, exploring the influence of the internet and social media; journalism and ethics, truth, bias, privacy, and accountability; film and television studies, the history and cultural impact of screen media; advertising and marketing, how media persuades us to buy, believe, or support; media history, from the printing press to today's digital platforms; and gaming, understanding the cultural and commercial power of video games. So, where can media studies take you? Graduates go on to careers in marketing and PR, digital marketing, content creation, and social media; journalism and publishing, from broadcast reporting to editorial work; film, TV, and radio, as directors, producers, or editors; production and design, from UX and web design to graphic arts; and research, whether in media analysis or market trends. Media studies gives you the tools to analyze, create, and influence. It's not just about consuming media. It's about understanding its power and learning how to shape the media of the future. This is Media Studies. Thanks for watching Motion Bytes Academy, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more creative learning.